Welcome to this MeetingBooster video tutorial on scheduling meetings and creating agendas through MeetingBooster. During this training session, you'll learn how to use the MeetingBooster Outlook plugin to schedule your meetings, and then how to use the MeetingBooster web interface to create your meeting agendas, assign pre-meeting tasks, and apply any other necessary meeting information. The MeetingBooster Outlook plugin was designed to help maintain any existing scheduling habits. Once the Outlook plugin has been successfully installed, a MeetingBooster icon will appear across the ribbon at the top of the Outlook interface. This provides a dedicated ribbon with tools for scheduling meetings through MeetingBooster. From within the MeetingBooster ribbon, I can not only schedule new meetings, but also assign any new tasks and log in directly to the MeetingBooster web interface. So let's begin by scheduling a meeting like we would any other. I'm selecting my date, and I'm going to apply the meeting information as I would in any other Outlook scheduled meeting. As you can see in this example, I've already started to invite my attendees, create the subject and location for this meeting. To convert this meeting into a MeetingBooster meeting, all I have to do is simply select this MeetingBooster icon from the right-hand side. This will automatically synchronize this meeting with the MeetingBooster interface. As you can see, a unique link has now been created that will be shared with the meeting attendees. This link will direct the attendees through to the meeting agenda and any pre-meeting tasks that have been set for this meeting. Once the meeting has been created and synchronized with the MeetingBooster system, quick icons allow me to access the meeting information very quickly. As the meeting organizer, I can select meeting agenda and start to edit and create this meeting's agenda, as well as creating any pre-meeting tasks. The Outlook plugin even allows me to start or join the meeting directly from Outlook. We can also schedule new meetings directly through the MeetingBooster web interface. Simply select the Schedule New Meeting icon on the left-hand side of the Meetings page. Creating a meeting through the web interface falls under three sections, and as you can see, we have three tabs. We have the Details tab, the Agenda tab, and the Task tab, where we can assign any pre-meeting tasks. In this particular example, I've added my meeting title. I've added a meeting purpose to describe to the meeting attendees a little bit more about this meeting. I've also added a location. Scheduling the meeting through MeetingBooster's web interface also gives you the option of resolving any meeting conflicts. As you can see highlighted by this red exclamation mark here, we have a number of potential conflicts with our attendees' calendars. The MeetingBooster meeting conflict system will help to resolve any of these conflicts by providing alternative times when all attendees are available. Simply select the available meeting time, or in this example, we're going to use the original time. Selecting the right people to attend your meeting is made easy by just click on the Add Attendee icon. You can keyword search for the individual or select them from the list below. MeetingBooster allows you to assign co-organizers within a given meeting. The co-organizer role allows multiple users to collaborate on the agenda, uploading documents, and make vital edits to the meeting. As well as adding attendees to meetings, we can assign guests. A guest is someone who doesn't have access to the full MeetingBooster system, but they require the meeting minutes and the meeting agenda ahead of the meeting. These individuals, once assigned to the meeting, will receive a consolidated PDF with all of the meeting documents embedded into that PDF. Simply type the guest name and add their email address. At any point, you can assign a meeting to a meeting series. Simply put, a meeting series is a label for a series of meetings that happen on a recurring basis. This allows you to track the progress of the meeting series, any meeting minutes, and any tasks that relate to that meeting series. To learn more about the benefits of the meeting series, why not watch the video tutorial on meeting series? To start building the agenda for this meeting, first toggle the Agenda tab across the top. MeetingBooster allows you to create agendas from scratch, as well as select from built-in templates in the software, helping to speed up the process of building the agenda. Now you can also use previous meeting agendas to build this meeting. Templates are a great way of building meeting discipline and standardizing meeting processes. In this example, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create an agenda from scratch. Simply select New Agenda and then OK. The Agenda module is designed to make building the agenda as simple as possible. A simple ribbon toolbar displays all the features available to us in the Agenda module. I can simply start to type the main agenda item and press Enter to create a new agenda item. I can continue to do this until all agenda items are complete. Within this meeting, I have both main agenda items and I also require some sub-agenda items. To convert an agenda item into a sub-agenda item, first of all, toggle on those agenda items, select Move and Indent. You'll see the agenda has now formatted those items to be part of main agenda topic items. Adding description to agenda items is a great way of bringing more detail to an agenda item. I can do this by first of all toggling on the agenda item I'd like to add the description to and simply select description. This description will be added to the meeting agenda and available for all of the attendees to see. Do you allocate time against your agenda items? Well, if you do, you'll often find that in programs like Word, that's a very painful process. In MeetingBooster, we have a simple time distributor that automatically calculates the length of the meeting and will distribute the time evenly across all agenda items. This speeds up the process of allocating time across agenda items. If I'm happy with the time, I can simply lock that time in on the agenda. If I wish to change any of the allotted time, the time allocator will automatically borrow or give back time to other agenda items to ensure that the meeting still finishes on time. MeetingBooster allows you to embed meeting documents directly onto the meeting agenda. This makes it much easier to share the relevant documents for this meeting with all meeting attendees. You can attach multiple attachments onto a single agenda item. This means there's no more searching around when it comes to time to running the meeting. The documents are there on the agenda item, ready when you need them. And finally, in this meeting, I'm going to assign presenters to specific agenda items. This is a great way of telling the meeting attendees what's expected of them when they attend the meeting. It's possible to both allocate the presenter role to attendees and guests who are attending the meeting. Simply toggle on the attendees and select OK. The Agenda module has other features such as the agenda input and also the approval process, where meeting minutes and agenda approval processes are all handled electronically through the system. To learn more about these features, why not check out some of our later MeetingBooster video tutorials. Now that we've compiled all of the meeting information, built the agenda, and added all of the meeting documents, let's take a look at what this set of meeting minutes is starting to look like. MeetingBooster offers a range of different formats, and selections that allow you to customize the meeting minutes in more detail. For instance, adding a cover page, including my company logo, and customizing both the page size and font size. MeetingBooster has now worked to compile all of the meeting information together to create this professional set of meeting agendas. Here we can see our cover page, including information of the meeting, the purpose of the meeting, presenters, attendees, any guests we've invited, the location of the meeting. Scroll down further and we'll see the full agenda for this meeting. Description of agenda items, timings of agenda items, presenters, and all of the meeting documents directly embedded onto the meeting agendas.